What inspires us every day? What drives us to achieve? Why do we do what we do? I strive for excellence, mastery, and perfection again and again. I am resilient. I am determined and committed. Always moving forward, pushing the boundaries, arriving each day to innovate and create. Leaders in our field, we lead by example and teach others along the way. I treat every part I make for you like it was my own. Every fold, every weld, every component is a reflection of our craft. Service, quality, price, and reliability is always at the forefront of our thinking. Continually evolving, developing new processes to make your product better, stronger, faster. We understand the logistics and high demands of the industry. Our workflow ensures delivering products on time with zero compromise, meeting the tightest of deadlines. Custom installations and support. We are engineers, toolmakers, designers, machinists, machine operators and welders. Masters of our craft, we believe in each other. We believe in what we do for you. Our results are binary. It's not the machine that delivers your product, it's the people behind it. So what sets us apart? We are Frontline. Our passion is your product.